How to create a pipeline in HubSpot. So first go to your home page here, then just click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down and click here, click this one here, the objects tab. Then if you want, for this example, let's say you want to add a pipeline to your deals, click on it. The next is just click on pipelines. Okay, now click on this one, the drop down button. Now click on create pipeline. So for me, I can have an additional pipeline since I don't have a plan for this one for my CRM. But if you do have a plan, so just click on create pipeline. Next is just rename the pipeline. You'll have a text box here appear. Then just rename your pipeline and just click on create pipeline. So that's it. So let's say you want to add a pipeline to your tickets as well. So click on tickets. Now click on pipelines. Now click on the drop down here. Click on create pipeline. Then name your pipeline and again create your pipeline. Just click on create pipeline button and you're done. You can just configure the pipeline here after that. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.